If you invested just $200 a month into one simple index fund, you could build over 400,000 without ever picking a single stock. That's the quiet strategy making more millionaires than day trading ever will. Today, let's break it down step by step so you can start from zero. An index fund is a basket of hundreds of companies, like Apple, Google, and Coca-Cola, bundled together. Instead of betting on one company, you own the entire market. It's low cost, low stress, and backed by decades of real performance. Over 90% of stock pickers underperform the market. Index funds quietly win because they don't rely on guesswork. They rely on time and the power of compounding. For working moms with no time to research stocks, this is perfect. Set it up once, automate it, and let it work. Remember Sarah from our earlier videos? She started with zero but automated $200 monthly into a total market index fund. No trading, no timing, just consistency. In 20 years, she built over $120,000 in her investment account. Here's the math. $200 monthly for 20 years equals $48,000 invested. But with compounding at 8%, that grows to $120,000. That's $72,000 earned purely from patience. You only need one fund to start. Popular options include Vanguard's VTI, Fidelity's FZROX, or Schwab's SWTSX. All track the total stock market with fees below 0.04%. The specific fund matters less than starting consistently. Step 1. Open an account at Vanguard, Fidelity, or Schwab. This takes about 10 minutes online. Step 2. Set up automatic monthly transfers from your checking account. Even $50 is a real start. Step 3. Buy your chosen index fund with each transfer. Most platforms let you automate everything, so investments happen without you remembering. The biggest mistake isn't not investing, it's stopping when the market drops. If Sarah sold during downturns, she'd have lost thousands. But by staying invested, her money keeps working even while she sleeps. The secret isn't timing the market, it's time in the market. Whether you're starting or restarting, remember, you don't need to be an expert to build wealth, just consistent. Start small, stay steady, and let the market do its job. Which fund will you start with this week? VTI, FZROX, or SWTSX? Comment below. Subscribe for Thursday's video on why women retire broke and how to change that.